What's going on, guys? I recently flashed XHP Stage 3 on my car and I wanted to do a POV drive video, but as you can see, very early on into the drive, I ended up just blowing my tire. So instead of doing a POV drive video, we're just gonna trash BMW for no longer providing a spare tire in their cars. I was hitting the back roads like an hour away from my house and far away from any tire shops. When I hit something in the road, I still have no clue what I even ran over, but you can hear the air just immediately leave the tires, and I had to pull over like right away because I'm not running my stock run flats anymore. I'm running the Michelin Pilot Sport AS4 tires. I've had at least 5 flat tires in my life, and this is the first time I wasn't able to just repair it and get back on the road. And that's because BMW stopped equipping the 3 Series with a spare tire, and I'm pretty sure it's all their models. I don't think it's just the 3 Series. Somebody can let me know. But anyway, there is no longer a spare tire. And not only that, there's not even a space to put your own spare tire in the trunk. So if you want a spare tire, you're gonna have to take up usable trunk space. So I ended up having to call a tow truck, which took 4 hours to show up, partly because I was far away and partly because they were just really backed up. The delivery fees were expensive thanks to the high gas prices, but luckily my insurance covered part of it. And after the car arrived home, it was undrivable until I went out and bought a spare tire since I didn't have one. I bought my tires less than a year ago through Discount Tire, which I think in other regions it's called like America's Tire or something like that. And I got the tires with a warranty because I am running low profile tires on 19-inch wheels, and I know that if something like this ever happened, I would have liked the warranty to replace it. So this should have been the end of the story. I should have just gone to the shop, they gave me my tire under warranty, and then I would have just moved on with life. But when I got into the shop, they told me it would take 4 to 6 months to get my tire replaced under warranty because their supplier apparently is experiencing a rubber shortage or something like that, and they're just completely back ordered on my particular tire. So 4 to 6 months for a replacement. At this point, I was really starting to regret selling my OEM 18-inch setup. So I decided to call some other tire shops, and for some reason all of them were able to get this tire within a week. I don't know why Discount Tire quoted me 4 to 6 months when everyone else was able to get it way faster, but the problem was that they wanted $500 for one replacement tire. And this is a tire that I'm already, under warranty on. I don't want to pay $500. So I decided not to order it. At this point, my options were get a cheap spare tire and just throw it on temporarily, which on an xDrive car, you really shouldn't drive with mismatched tires. It's not good for it. The other option would be to sell my 3 good tires back to Discount Tire and then get a new set of four tires of whatever they have in stock. And this would probably be the smartest option because you really shouldn't run mismatched tires on an xDrive car. And even if they were able to get me my replacement tire under warranty, I would then be running 1 tire with uneven tread wear. I knew that BMW no longer provides a spare, so technically this is my fault for not being better prepared, but it's kind of hard to prepare when they don't even provide a space in the trunk for you to put your own spare tire. I think they just give you like a tire repair kit, which I don't think that repair kit would have helped me out because my tire actually tore open. It wasn't just like I ran over a nail and lost some air. So if you have a modern BMW and you ditched your run flats for some good performance tires, just keep in mind that you might want to have tow truck access wherever you go, or at the very least, buy your own spare tire and throw it in the trunk. But if you made it this far into the video, unfortunately, this video does have a surprise ending. I actually ended up selling my 340 like a week after this happened. No, I didn't sell the car because of the tire issue. It had nothing to do with that. I was already planning on doing this. It was mainly a financial decision. The car market's still kind of peak right now, but I see it dropping soon. I wanted to get my money out of it because I'm actually planning on switching over to an M340i. My friend bought one and I really like the car. Originally, I was gonna go a lot further with my F30. I was gonna do turbo upgrade, I was gonna lower it, I was gonna do all this stuff, but I decided I would much rather just switch to the M340i and do all that stuff on that car. I love the F30, but I've been driving F30s since 2018, so a little over 4 years now in the F30, and I just want to try something new. But since I know most of you guys subscribe for the F30 content, one of my friends has a 2018 BMW 340i rear wheel drive ZHP package. It's already lowered, super nice car, He's continuing to mod his, and I plan on recording videos on his car. So the F30 content isn't exactly going away, but I also plan on introducing other cars to the channel.